Hi, this is Rick LaPointe with PartTimeTrader.com, Friday, September 17th. Now, ever since Monday when we got this little breakout finally above the 200-day moving average, we've been messing around in this tight little range here, watching us slowly come up, and we finally hit our retest of this double top area at 11:31 on Friday. The good news, of course, is we did maintain that area above the 200-day moving average all week long. As you can see, we had several retests of it, almost a retest of it here before finally jumping up and retesting our double top. Now the question, of course, is, can we come up with some kind of compelling reason to give us the juice to push us above and give us finally a breakout above this double top? Keeping in mind, of course, that next week is the beginning of fall, and September and October tend to be a very squeamish, skittish time of year for the markets. That superstition of October from the old 1929 crash still being in memory here. But we have had times where it wasn't an issue, that October, when everybody was bracing themselves for a downturn, we did see quite a good activity going up into Christmas. Will we see that this year? Hard to say. We certainly don't have any real compelling reason to do that at this time. So we are going to be waiting this next week, looking for a retest of the 200-day moving average, but watching the news very carefully to see if something can happen that will give us a definitive breakout. If we cannot get a breakout, if we do screw around with this line here, just like we did back in early August, again, we'd have to say that the path of least resistance will be down. First, we'll look for a test of the 200-day moving average, then the 50-day moving average. Now, if we do break below the 200, obviously we've got this little uptrend line coming up here. We're going to be watching the 1110 area, which is pretty close to our Fibonacci 78% line. That's getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, though. I do believe the market does want to move up if it can just get some reason to do so. So that's what we'll be watching for this coming week. This is Rick LaPointe, PartTimeTrader.com.